Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to build a sales dashboard wireframe using MockFlow's Genius AI. It's quick, it's simple, and the entire design comes together in under 2 minutes. Let's dive in. Start by opening your MockFlow account. Once you're in, click on New Wireframe and choose Generate with AI. Type in the idea you want here. We're creating a sales dashboard. You can also enable options like adding images or sketchy styling before generating. And click on Generate. Genius AI will instantly produce a complete dashboard layout for you. Everything in the wireframe can be edited, rearrange components, tweak the structure, or customize the content however you like. After finalizing the design, you can seamlessly collaborate with your developer. Simply share the project by clicking Share, entering their email, and assigning the appropriate role. Your sales dashboard wireframe will be ready in minutes with MockFlow's Genius AI. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like, share it with your team, and subscribe for more AI wireframing tips.